You know, it's been a minute. We were hoping to be able to post a video in August, and well, this is what we got. Been working on the little Route 250 here though. We've encountered several issues. Our bearings got messed up, so we had to order some new ones. And there have been some other roadblocks. We've also started school back, and that's another thing. And we're hoping to get a video out to y'all in September. We'll see what happens, but hopefully we can get around one video a month. Don't worry, we haven't forgot about the little Route 250. And me and Bill have a few ideas about some other stuff we're really excited to bring y'all. So, cue the really awesome outro music.